Hello guys, welcome to Nick Times Graphics. I'm going to take you through how to design a birthday flyer. Okay, so when you enter into the app, go to the search button and type birthday. Just type birthday and then search to bring you birthday flyers templates. So you just have to go through and select one. So I'm going to use this one. So tap on it. I'm going to use this template. So when you tap on it, it will come to this place. So the next thing to do is tap on edit design, the button edit design. Wait for it to load. Yes, edit design. So when you tap on edit design like this, so you have to now make changes. So first of all, we'll have to change the image. So tap on the image and then come to here. See where they've written replace. Where they've written replace this one. So tap on replace. Then tap on my uploads. When you tap on my uploads, these are images I uploaded from my gallery. Yes. So if because you are using it for your first time, you will not have images here. So what you do is that tap on upload media. Tap on that one. So it will take you to your gallery. Yes. So you now look for the picture you want to use. So tap on browse. So when you tap on browse here, tap on this dash lights, this lights. Tap on that one, the menu, tap on the menu button. So when you tap on the menu button, you can now see gallery here. Yes, you can see gallery. So you tap on the gallery, and it will take you to your photos. Then you now search for the image where the image is, search for it. So you look for the image. Let me just tap this image. It will upload it. So this is the image. If you want to crop it, you crop. If you don't want, then you tap on apply. So this is the image. Yes. So you can resize it, you can increase it, you can reduce it. Yes. Yes. So if you don't want that image, you want to change the image again, you can tap on replace again, then tap on my uploads. That is it. So you see that the image I've uploaded, it is now here. So anytime I'm to use that same image, I will not go to my gallery again. I will just pick it here. So that is just how it is. So I'm going to use this image for the design. So tap on the image like this, it will be marked. Then you tap on add selected. So you see that it has cut some portion of the image away, so you have to resize it. Resize it, open it. Yes, have to resize it, and then tap on apply. You can increase the size of the image, you can reduce it. Okay, so when you upload the image, you have to change the name. So tap on the name of the person, then come and tap text. Okay, so there's a name, then you delete this name there and write the name of the person. So this is the name of the person, then you place it well here. Yes, so the date, the month is not December, so you have to clean that one and then write the person's birthday, month and day. So it is April. April 23rd. Yes, April 23rd. So you have made the changes. So anything you want to change again, you can do the necessary all the necessary changes. Yes, and then you tap on the saving button here. This one, this arrow, that is the saving button. So you tap on that one. Then you tap on download. That is downloading. So your file has been downloaded. So file downloaded, you see on top here written. So your file has been downloaded to your gallery. So that is it. Go to gallery and check. You can see your image birthday flyer you didn't. So this is a birthday flyer. Then you're done with your birthday flyer, and it's very nice and sharp. So that is how you design a birthday flyer using poster my wall. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, turn the notification bell, and like the video. Anything you don't understand or you want to know, you can let me know at the comment section. So let's grow together. Thank you.